Welcome to this detailed review of Freecamp. If you're looking for a comprehensive project management tool, you're in the right place. Freecamp offers a variety of features that cater to both small teams and large businesses, making it a versatile choice for project tracking, task management, and collaboration. On the homepage, you're greeted with a clean and straightforward interface. As soon as you sign up, you're taken to your dashboard, where you can begin organizing your projects. The platform offers various views, like list, calendar, and Kanban, allowing you to customize how you view your tasks and deadlines. Whether you're managing a personal project or collaborating with a team, Freecamp offers an easy-to-use interface with powerful features to keep you on track. One of Freecamp's standout features is its task management system. You can create tasks, set due dates, assign them to team members, and track progress all in one place. It also includes tools for file sharing, making it easy to collaborate with teammates without leaving the platform. The task comments and mentions make communication within tasks seamless, ensuring that nothing gets lost in email threads. Freecamp also supports time tracking, which can be helpful if you're working on multiple projects or need to track billable hours. You can log time for individual tasks, set reminders, and even generate reports, making it easier to monitor productivity and deadlines. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so make sure to check those out after watching the video. For teams, Freecamp has several collaborative tools. You can create project milestones, share files, and integrate with third-party apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack. The platform also allows you to automate certain tasks, like assigning a team member when a task reaches a certain stage, which can help streamline your workflow. Another key feature is Freecamp's reporting functionality. You can generate project reports to get an overview of task completion, milestones, and project progress. This makes it easy to track deadlines and see how your team is performing over time. When it comes to pricing, Freecamp offers a free version with core features, but also provides paid plans with additional features for teams and businesses. The paid versions offer more advanced tools like project templates, time tracking, and integrations, making it a good option for growing teams. Overall, Freecamp is a robust project management tool that combines simplicity with powerful features. It's suitable for individuals, small teams, and larger organizations. If you're looking for a tool that helps you stay organized, manage tasks efficiently, and collaborate with others, Freecamp is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and in-depth tutorials.